Welcome to our third video tutorial about conducting pilot experiments to gather data for industrial scale system sizing. In this episode, we will discuss how to establish an accurate permeability curve depending on the mode we are using, batch versus fed batch. A permeability curve is obtained by measuring the permeation flux as a function of VCF. But one will find out that there are practical limits of installations running in batch mode. In this example, a VCF of 20 is reached, that is a yield of 95% without diafiltration. As you can see in those simple formulas, when high yield is targeted, 1. A low holding volume is required in the unit to maximize the permeate volume. 2. A high volume of feed is needed to reach a high VCF. And finally, each additional liter of holding volume will require 20 more liters of feed, meaning the requirement for bigger equipment. Generally, a good way to minimize the unit holding volume is to work in fed batch mode instead of batch mode. However, as the retentate is recirculated in a shorter loop, you will increase VCF more quickly. One must be careful to use the proper calculation for each of the two modes. In this case, the VCF, that is, the feed volume divided by the retentate volume, is equal to 2 for the batch mode. For the fed batch mode, be careful to consider only the volume that passes through the working tank in the calculation. If not, there can be great differences in the results. In this case, the VCF is equal to 5 and not 2. Do not hesitate to use NovaSip logbooks for your calculation and get in touch with our filtration specialist to discuss the details of your trial plans.